Okay, today we're going to talk about how to install Python. We're going to use this command line installer because it's cleaner, takes less space, I think will version control better. So what you do is first thing you have to Google, you go here, you go install UV Python. It's the installer we're going to do. Right, you have an AI overview and you have installation. And it says for Mac and Windows how to do it. For Mac, we're going to use this curl, which we're going to put into our terminal. So I'm going to copy that. We're going to open terminal. We're going to go to terminal, open it. Let me close this. Then if you don't have one, you go shell, new window, basic, and up it comes, right? And this is just going to be in our home directory. So you can paste that in, curl this, is going to install UV, which will allow us to install Python, hit return. So it's installing. Mine's already installed, so it's going to go fairly quickly, right? And it's done. Okay, so now it's installed. So now what you want to do is you want to go to the directory where you're going to be running Python. So to do this, we're going to go to Finder. Here is Finder. What I'm going to do in Documents, remember I like using it like this. I'm going to make a new folder called Classes, right? This is probably where you're running. Right, then in Classes, I'm going to make another new folder. I'm going to call it Big Data. Right, and so this is where we're going to want to install it. So I'm going to show you a trick. Come move this over here so you can see it. Come back to Terminal and do CD for change directory. Grab Big Data, drag it in, and it actually gives you the path. So hit return, PWD, you're now in Big Data. So you're in the folder where you're ready to install it. So now to install, you do UV init -- or the minus signs, Python 3.11. Hit return. It initialized it. I just put some files there. Now to install, you do UV add, and we have to add a few different libraries. You add mat, matplotlib, this is the mathematical plotting library, matplotlib. Then you do pandas. This is for panel data, which helps us do our analyses. And then you do Jupyter Lab with a Y, all one word. It's going to install it. It's installed. And now what you do to actually run Python, you do UV run Jupyter Lab, 2 words. And this is going to come up in our browser. It takes a second to come up. Let's see. Right, it's thinking. And it's going to, right, it's loading. Now it's over in our browser. Right, and now we can, if you double click Python 3 kernel, it's up and running. When you're done, you go to File, Shut down, Server stopped. You can now close the tab. And you go to Leave. And so now, if you want to run again, I'm going to close this. So when you're ready to run Python, now you go to Terminal. You can go here. You go Terminal. You open your terminal. If you have no new shell, I'm going to do, I have my terminal closed, but where is it? It is here. I have it. I'm going to go shell, new window, basic, right? And then remember, if you want to change to that directory, you don't have to type it in. Do CD, use your hot corners, find your Finder, drag over Big Data, right, hit return, type PWD, make sure you're in this spot. You're good. Now you do UV run Jupyter Lab, and you should be ready to go. And there we are. We're ready to go. You can select your kernel, and you are good. Good luck.